Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Dr. Davis, a nutritionist with years of experience helping people live healthier, happier lives. Today, I have an exciting and informative video for all of you, especially for those who are over 60 and looking to build muscle. Yes, you heard that right. Muscle building is not just for the young, and I'm here to show you how you can enhance your strength, maintain muscle mass, and even build new muscle tissue no matter your age. Building and maintaining muscle as we age is crucial for overall health. It not only helps improve mobility and strength, but also boosts metabolism, helps manage weight, and reduces the risk of falls and injuries. But here's the catch. As we get older, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia, and our ability to gain muscle decreases. But don't worry, today I'll reveal 7 nutrient-packed foods that can help you build muscle and stay strong, even if you're over 60. So let's dive right in. Oh, before diving in, comment down where are you seeing this video from and how old are. And comment down what health problem you are going from. I will try to comment as soon as possible. So let's go. Number 1. Eggs. Let's start with one of the best foods for muscle building. Eggs. You might have heard about eggs being packed with protein, but did you know that they're also rich in all the essential amino acids your body needs to build muscle? Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and the more complete your protein source, the better it helps in muscle repair and growth. Eggs, especially the egg whites, are loaded with high-quality protein, while the yolk contains healthy fats and important micronutrients like vitamin D, which plays a vital role in muscle function. For seniors, vitamin D is particularly important as it helps your body absorb calcium, supporting bone health and reducing the risk of osteoporosis. As we age, vitamin D absorption decreases, which is why it's important to include vitamin D-rich foods in your diet to maintain both muscle function and bone health. Now, why are eggs so effective in muscle building for older adults? The body's ability to synthesize protein decreases with age. However, the high biological value of eggs means your body can use more of that protein to repair and grow muscle tissue. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that older adults who consumed protein-rich foods like eggs had significantly more muscle mass and strength compared to those who didn't. So incorporating eggs into your diet is a simple and effective way to help with muscle building. Eggs are incredibly versatile too. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, poached, or fried, there are plenty of ways to enjoy them. And if you're concerned about cholesterol, rest assured that for most people, eating eggs in moderation doesn't raise cholesterol levels significantly. In fact, the nutrients found in the yolk can be beneficial for overall health, so don't skip it. Number 2. Greek yogurt. The next food on our list is Greek yogurt. Not only is it creamy and delicious, but it's also one of the best sources of protein you can include in your diet. Greek yogurt is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids. This is particularly useful for muscle repair after exercise, and for older adults, it's a great way to keep the muscles nourished throughout the day. In addition to protein, Greek yogurt is also packed with probiotics, which help support gut health. Why does this matter for building muscle? Well, a healthy gut ensures proper digestion and nutrient absorption, meaning your body is better equipped to absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle recovery and growth. If your digestion is working optimally, your body can use the protein you consume more efficiently, helping to rebuild muscle fibers that were broken down during physical activity. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining bone density, especially in older adults. Calcium helps strengthen bones, reducing the risk of fractures and falls. It also works synergistically with protein to support muscle function and repair. For seniors, this makes Greek yogurt a double-duty powerhouse. It helps build muscle and supports bone health. In fact, the combination of protein and calcium in Greek yogurt is particularly important for seniors, as both help to counteract the natural bone loss and muscle weakening that come with aging. To get the most benefit, opt for plain Greek yogurt, as it's lower in added sugars compared to flavored varieties. You can add your own toppings like fresh berries or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor while keeping it nutritious. Number 4. Salmon. Moving on to the next superfood, salmon. If you're not already including fatty fish like salmon in your diet, you're missing out on some of the best muscle-building nutrients available. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve muscle function and stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, are essential fats that support inflammation reduction in the body. As we age, chronic low-grade inflammation can contribute to muscle loss and other age-related health issues. By including omega-3s in your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and protect your muscles from unnecessary breakdown. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3s are especially important for older adults who may be dealing with conditions such as arthritis or joint pain. Chronic inflammation can slow down muscle recovery and hinder growth, so consuming foods that fight inflammation, like salmon, can help speed up recovery time and improve your muscle-building results. Salmon is also loaded with vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and muscle function. Combined with its high protein content, salmon is an all-around winner for promoting muscle growth and maintaining strong, healthy bones. Number 4. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is another fantastic muscle-building food that is lean and packed with protein. Protein is the most important macronutrient when it comes to muscle building, and chicken breast is an excellent source of it. It's low in fat and calories, making it an ideal choice for seniors who want to build muscle without gaining unnecessary weight. One of the main reasons chicken breast is so effective for muscle building is its amino acid profile. It's high in leucine, an essential amino acid that plays a key role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Leucine helps activate a pathway in your body that signals your muscles to grow and repair after exercise. This is especially important for older adults, as muscle recovery becomes more challenging with age. By including chicken breast in your diet, you're giving your body the necessary building blocks to stimulate muscle growth and accelerate recovery. Chicken breast is also versatile and can be prepared in many different ways. Whether you're grilling, baking, or adding it to soups or salads, chicken breast is a simple and tasty way to boost your protein intake and support your muscle-building goals. For seniors, the ability to enjoy a wide range of recipes with chicken breast is a great advantage. You can incorporate it into a variety of cuisines, from Mediterranean to Asian to classic American dishes. This ensures that eating a healthy muscle-building meal doesn't become monotonous, which can sometimes happen with more restrictive diets.
Number 5. Quinoa. Next on the list is quinoa, a plant-based source of protein that's perfect for those who prefer vegetarian or vegan options. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. This makes it an excellent plant-based alternative for building muscle. In addition to being rich in protein, quinoa is also high in fiber, which helps improve digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. As you get older, your digestive system may not work as efficiently, but the fiber in quinoa can help keep things moving smoothly. It's also a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide long-lasting energy for your workouts and daily activities. Having a steady source of energy is especially important for seniors who may experience fluctuations in energy levels throughout the day. Quinoa also contains a variety of important micronutrients, including magnesium, which is crucial for muscle function and relaxation. Magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports muscle recovery after exercise. For seniors, this is particularly beneficial, as magnesium deficiency can lead to muscle weakness and fatigue. By adding quinoa to your diet, you're ensuring your muscles have the nutrients they need to stay strong and recover effectively. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are another incredible food that should be part of your muscle-building diet. They're not only a great source of protein, but are also rich in iron, which is essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting overall health. Protein is vital for building and repairing muscles, and lentils are a plant-based powerhouse that provides a significant amount of it. Lentils are also packed with fiber, which can help with weight management and digestive health. They have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause a sharp spike in blood sugar levels, making them an excellent food choice for seniors who need to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. Lentils can be prepared in a variety of ways. You can make lentil soups, salads, or even patties, and they pair well with a variety of spices, herbs, and vegetables. As a plant-based protein, they're a great option for anyone looking to diversify their protein sources or follow a vegetarian diet while still supporting muscle health. In addition to protein and fiber, lentils are rich in folate, which plays a role in cell division and muscle growth. It's an essential nutrient for seniors looking to maintain muscle mass and overall vitality. Lentils are incredibly affordable, making them a budget-friendly option for muscle building. Number 7. Spinach. Lastly, we have spinach. This leafy green may not seem like the most obvious choice for muscle building, but it's packed with nutrients that are vital for maintaining muscle health. Spinach is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and calcium, all of which support muscle function. Magnesium in particular is important for muscle relaxation and recovery. Iron helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, which is crucial for performance and endurance during exercise. Calcium, as we've already discussed, plays a significant role in maintaining bone health, and strong bones are essential for supporting muscle function. Spinach also is a great source of nitrates, which have been shown to improve muscle performance and increase blood flow to the muscles. This can enhance your workouts and help you build muscle more effectively. For seniors, spinach offers a variety of benefits that go beyond just muscle growth. It helps protect against inflammation, supports joint health, and keeps you feeling energized. So, there you have it, 7 amazing foods that can help you build muscle even if you're over 60. By incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the best chance to maintain and grow muscle, improve your strength, and support overall health. Remember, building muscle doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right nutrition, you can absolutely achieve your goals. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on nutrition and health. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with muscle building, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.